as the man. Whoa. We got a breach headed towards the medieval section.
Roger that. We're preparing to engage, over.
Get your hands up, boy!
Don't move a muscle.
Whoa.
And after that, they just up and arrested him.
Whoa, really?
Yeah, that's when I decided I should probably get a different job. I figured night guarding is much less dangerous than driving a... Crap. Nice shot.
Wait.
No, Johnny! Officer down, repeat, officer down!
Wake him out of your head, wanker!
No, Johnny! Officer down, repeat, officer down! No, Johnny! Officer down, repeat, officer down!
Sir, place your hands where I can see them.
Huh?
Bribery is a federal offense, sir. Sir, place your hands where I can see them. If you do not comply, I will be forced to fire upon you. You leave me no choice, sir. Sir, place your hands where Sir, place your hands where I can see them.